So Lars, you designed a battery charger for your Leica CL batteries that also works fine with the Rollei 35 and other film cameras. Please tell us, what was the idea behind this project?
Yeah, so I was shooting quite a lot with my Leica CL, and I always had a problem when I was leaving it sitting somewhere for a while, that my hearing aid batteries would discharge themselves. And I had to shoot a roll of film sometimes without a light meter, because you always have to open the whole camera to change the battery, and that just works when you also change your film, and that's quite annoying. And I wasn't really happy with all the alternatives. You have like hearing aid batteries, you have the wine cell, it's quite expensive, or you have like the lead acid batteries, but these have too high of a voltage. You have to modify your camera, or you have to get an adapter for it, and it's you always have to take some compromises. And I didn't want to change my camera, I didn't want to buy any expensive wine cells. So I stumbled upon this guy, Drössner. He's an Austrian guy, and he found these Varta V80 cells. They are nickel metal hydride button cells. They usually come in like electronics, but there are no chargers for it. So he built a charger for it. It's like a pretty janky prototype. I also used this kind of prototype for over a year, and then I designed the PCB here for Ausgeknipst. We produced them. I designed the PCB myself, and we ordered them. And yeah, it's a trickle charger for these button cells. You just put them in overnight, and they will be charged again. It runs with like normal USB-C chargers, and it's a really nice product. It's a nice compromise for all these other batteries. They have a voltage from about 128 to 13, and it's a little bit lower than the normal PX625, but a little lower voltage means your photos are getting a little bit overexposed. You want that anyway in negative pictures or in negative film, because you have a little bit more tolerance for like bad lighting. So that's not a problem. It's like almost half a step, and yeah, it's a really nice product, nice compromise for all these other options, and yeah, I'm really happy with this product.